Hello, children. Welcome back. We have started a new chapter, which is fraction. In that, so far, we have learned like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions. We have also learned fractions in the lowest term, comparing fractions, and ascending and descending order. Now, we are going to learn a new concept. Today we will learn addition of fractions. So let's move on. Addition of fractions of like, unlike and mixed fractions. So we are going to see how we are going to do like fractions, unlike fractions and mixed fractions. All these three fractions, how are we going to add it? So points to remember. If the sum of two or more fractions is not in its lowest term, reduce it to its lowest term. If the sum of two or more fractions is an improper fraction, change the improper fractions to a mixed fraction. Now let's see adding like fractions. We'll see example 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So in next step, we are going to take 2 plus 1 upon. Now these denominators are equal. So we'll take upon 4. Now 2 plus 1, how much it is? It is 3. So 3 upon this denominator remains same. So simple, isn't it? Next, one more example we are going to take. 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. So equal to 2 plus 4 upon 5. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 upon 5. Next, adding unlike fractions. Let's see. Now 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now see children, here the denominators are equal. We need to equalize the denominator first. Now tell me children, see, in 3 ka table 9 comes, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we are going to multiply only this fraction by 3. So let's see, is equal to 1 upon 9 plus 2 into 3 upon 3 into 3, which gives you 1 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. How we got 6? So 1 upon 9 is as it is. 6 is 2, 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now we got the denominators equal. Now we'll make it 1 plus 6 upon 9, which gives you 7 upon 9. Let's see one more example. 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10. Now, say children, this, if you don't know how to do, you can divide this bigger number by the smaller number. When it gets completely divided and you get the remainder as 0, तो जो quotient आता है उसको हम ये number से ये fraction से multiply करेंगे. So it is 2 into 3, sorry, 3 into 2 upon 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 10, which gives you 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 5 into 2 gives you 10 upon 1 upon 10. So 6 plus 1 upon 10, which gives you 7 upon 10. Next, addition of mixed fraction. Now let's see example. See here, 1 addition mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a fraction. Now we cannot add this. You cannot add like 1 plus 2 is 3 and then no. So we need to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Now how are we going to convert this? Let's see. We will multiply, we'll convert it. 1 into 4 plus 1. See here. 1 into 4 plus 1 upon this denominator remains as it is. Next, 2 into 4. Next, 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now, 1 4s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 5 upon 4. Then plus sign. Then 2 into 4 plus. So, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 upon 4, which is equal to 5 plus 9. This 2 we will take it together upon 4. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 upon 4. Now see this, children. 14 upon 4 is not in the lowest term. We need to convert them in the lowest term. So this 14 and 4 comes in which table? 2 ka table. So we'll divide that by 2. So we get the answer as 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 7 upon 2. One more example. See, 3, 2 upon 5 plus 2, 1 upon 2. We need to convert. So we'll convert. See, with this we need to multiply and then we need to add this number. Now in previous, see here, in previous example, the denominators were equal. Now in this example, the denominators are different. So now let's see. So we'll multiply 3 into 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Say this, we are going to multiply this number and then we are going to add it. So 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 upon 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 upon 2. Now, children, here the denominators are different. And even this 5 doesn't come in 2 ka table and 2 doesn't come in 5 ka table. So here we are going to cross multiply. So for this fraction we'll multiply by 2 and for this fraction we'll multiply by 5. So 17 into 2 upon 5 into 2 plus 5 into 5 upon 2 into 5. So we get the answer as 34 upon 10. 17 2s are 34, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 into 5 is 25 upon 10. So is equal to 34 plus 25 upon 10. Now 34 plus 25 gives you 59 upon 10. Now neither this comes in any of the table. So we will divide it. Since this is a mixed fraction ka sum, we will divide it. So 59 divided by 10. So 10 5s are 50. If we minus, we get the remainder as 9. So this 5 will come as big number. This remainder will come as numerator and our denominator remains as it is. I hope children you have understood this. So do the assignments for practice and even solve the exercise from your textbook. Thank you.